okubanga nkomekereza ebintu bino. Nagezaako okudduka mu ggwanga, nagezaako okunyagulula banka, nagezaako n'okutta famire ya muganda wange.
Miss Okello, are you still proceeding?
Yeah. Still reading.
Okay.
Okay. My lord, they threatened to kill me. They staked out that neighborhood where I lived. If you know what stakeout means, it means like they will park a car or just stand there and watch where I'm living. There'll be somebody there the whole time watching me. So yeah, they staked out that Bunga neighborhood. Yeah, they began to demand money, cash from me. And there was people that would follow me. They follow me closely. They got my attention, and they eventually, you know, how am I going to put this correct? My lords, they somehow began to they began to get accountability from me, legitimate or otherwise. They made increasing demands from me. In the deaths of the 4 children, my lord. So moving on. Okay.
Nti naina ebire by'omu maaso ebitangaavu, naina bazadde bange ab'okulabirira, nti nali business man ng'era njolekedde okuyitamu, ng'era n'obulamu bwange bw'omu maaso ndaba nga bulungi. Nina obujulizi obw'okwogerwako obulungi okuva eri taata wange abampangisa ettaka Enyoya, abantu abansemba mu CV yange, era nagenda mu maaso n'okwennyika mu birowoozo oba n'okuba nga ndimu ennyamivu era nga kino tekyali kirungi gye ndi era nga saakola kintu kyonna mu bugenderevu era nga nali sisobola kwebeera bikolwa byange. Saakigenderera okutta abaana bano abana.
Okay, yesterday by the time we closed business, your mic is still on, so if you have to make private consultations, you may need to do it. Okay, I was saying by the time we broke up yesterday, the accused person had told us he intended to give an unsworn statement, but he also gave us particulars of 4 witnesses. Mr. Kumbuga and Ms. Sarah, it is you I'm addressing. He gave us particulars of 4 witnesses, and I want to hear from you. Do you have those 4 witnesses?
My Lord, so far we have 2.
Okay, if those 2 witnesses are here, we shall ask them to step out so that we take the evidence of the accused person.
My Lord, they are not here.
Okay, that's fine then. Mr. Okello, once again, good morning.
Morning, my lord.
Okay. You said you are going to give an unsworn statement. I'm going to again put down your name. What's your name?
My name, my lord, is Christopher Okello Onyum.
Christopher Okello Onyum. How old are you, Mr. Okello?
I am 39 years old.
Okay, I'm going to read you the charges again, and I want you to listen carefully. This time you're not pleading to them, but I want to refresh your mind so that you know what you're going to defend yourself about. You're charged in 4 counts of murder, and the first count is murder contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026, at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Center, Gaba Parish, marking the division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Eyata Gideon. And like I told you the first day, this means that you intentionally and unlawfully caused the death of this person who was called Eyata Gideon. You understood that count?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The second count is also a murder count, a murder charge. It's contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, and the particulars of it are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026, at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, marking the division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Keisha again Roth or Tim. This also means that with intention you caused the death of this person called Keisha again Roth or Tim. You've understood that as well?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. The third count is also still a murder count, and it is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026, at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, marking the division, Kampala district with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Seryange Ignatius. It also means that you, with intention, you caused the death of Ignatius. This person was called Seryange Ignatius. Have you understood that?
Yes, my lord, I understood that one also.
Okay. And the last one is murder also, and it's contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. Christopher Okello Oyum, those are particulars, that on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center, Gaba Trading Zone, Gaba Parish, Makinje Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Yewadeko Ryan. Same thing that you, with intention, caused the death of this person. Have you understood that?
Yes, my lord, I understood that.
Now I will hand you over to your lawyers to lead you in the preliminaries, and then afterwards you will tell your story uninterrupted.
Mr. Okello, can you tell this honorable court your full name?
Yes, my lord. My name is Christopher Okello Oni.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old, my lord.
Okay. What work do you do?
I am a farmer, my lord.
Farmer, where do you do your farming work from?
In Noya district.
Okay. Where do you stay before you were arrested? Where were you staying?
My lord, right before I was arrested, I was living in Chanja.
Which village in Chanja?
I do not know, my lord, what village that one is.
Is that the only work you do?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Are you a Uganda citizen?
No, my lord, I am not.
So what is your nation you belong to?
My lord, I am an American citizen.
Okay. Before you became an American citizen, did you have another citizenship, either by origin or by birth?
Yes, my lord, by birth, I was Uganda.
Uganda. Okay. Before this honorable court have read for you 4 counts of murder. Now the court demands that you should give your account about those 4 counts. Can you please begin with the date you were arrested?
So, I'm going to say, my lord, that I didn't do so intentionally, and the case could the charges shouldn't stand because
Okay. So I was going to say, the prosecution produced evidence, including a child in caution statement and a plain statement, where it was said that I confessed to killing the children deliberately, but my lord, I was going to say that I was made to make that statement by force, and I wasn't allowed to raise questions about what they were doing or
Microphone rectified.
Nze Okello Christopher Onyo nga nina emyaka 39 era nga ndi mulimi nga nnimira mu disitulikiti y'Ennyoya era nga sinnakwatibwa nali mbeera Kyanja. Siri Munnayuganda era nga ndi mutuuze wa America naye nga sinnafuuka America. Nafuuka America na Uganda okusinziira ku buzaale. Emisango gino eno eginsomeddwa saagizza naye saagikola mu bugenderevu naye kannyonnyole mu ngeri endala engeri abaana buli bafaamu naye nga saakikola mu bugenderevu. Oludda oluwaabi lwategeeza nti mu siteetimenti yange nakkiriza emisango egyo ginvunaanibwa naye nga nagikola nga nkatiddwa era nga sakkirizibwa kunnyonnyolebwa.
Yes, let's proceed.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord,